This is the HKMLC SmartBoard 55-inch all-in-one interactive whiteboard, an amazing solution that integrates a projector, computer, whiteboard, TV, audio system, and monitor into one seamless device. We love this addition to our office, enabling us to extend our PC monitors, hold meetings, and plan content. Its sleek dark gray and black design features a stunning 4K Ultra HD touchscreen, providing crystal clear resolution for vibrant visuals and detailed presentations. This all-in-one board delivers a high-definition experience, combining the clarity of a monitor with the versatility of a whiteboard. It has convenient stylus and pen storage to keep your workspace organized and make sure you no longer have to go looking for any misplaced pens. You can also enjoy great sound with the customized speaker designed to enhance audio quality. This will make sure that every word is heard, no matter if you're in a quiet office or a larger classroom. Remote video conferencing is simplified with compatibility for most conference software, allowing for smooth and effective virtual meetings. You can easily connect your remote meetings and ensure they're on par with your in-person ones. The collaboration doesn't stop here, however, thanks to its multi-person real-time annotation. This means multiple users can work on the board simultaneously, making group projects and brainstorming sessions more productive and engaging. The smart whiteboards support both wired and wireless screen sharing, including reverse control with 20 touch points and 8 millisecond response time. This ensures seamless interaction and responsiveness whether you're presenting or collaborating. It also supports wireless projecting between multiple devices and allows for a two-way control, offering flexibility and control in your presentations. Need to display multiple sources at once? Don't worry, the board supports up to 4 split screen view, perfect for multitasking and managing different types of content simultaneously. You can count on experiencing a natural writing feel with features like dry eraser, color stylus, and sharp drawing capabilities. The board allows you to zoom in on images and draw with all 10 fingers at once, making it ideal for detailed work and interactive lessons. Sharing files is also easy with its QR code integration. Simply scan the code and save and share the whiteboard content, streamlining your workflow. You can also easily share your screen when needed. Additionally, the open application ecosystem means it integrates seamlessly with your existing tools and software. Thank you to HKMLC for sponsoring today's video and sending us the smartboard for review. Make sure to check out the link in the description down below for more info on where to buy. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech content while you're there, follow our socials at CamXPetra, and watch our Twitch live streams at CamXPetra TV.